The Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development is in the process of collecting textbooks that have been identified as having mistakes for scrutiny and possible withdrawal from publication and circulation later if confirmed to be having mistakes.
Some education stakeholders agree that some content in the books was not well thought out. NTV's education reporter Sharon Barang'a reports.
Reports on textbooks meant for the competence-based curriculum revealing glaring mistakes have been a concern for the public, as some are already in use in schools. This matter has come to the attention of the Ministry of Education and the Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development, who are now in the process of collecting the books for investigation. Officials, however, say there is a possibility that some books could be bearing KICD's approval stamp illegally. Education stakeholders from Elimu Yetu Coalition are also concerned about the mistakes and examples published on the books.
Issue is you are teaching reading, but what are the values of the curriculum? Values of the curriculum include honesty, modesty, integrity. And then if therefore you are idolizing or glorifying wealth, then what values are you teaching?
New primary English for class 2 is one of those that is being subjected to further quality assurance by KICD. The book was authored by 4 people and it has the KICD approval stamp. In a statement, KICD said school textbooks are approved after a careful evaluation and review by KICD officers, lecturers, quality assurance officers, teachers in primary and secondary schools, and tutors from teacher training colleges. Sharon Barang'a, NTV.